meaning that the three sides are equal, then you will have to say 3 times the side. So that will be now perimeter is equal to 3 multiplied by 15 minus 2x. So the perimeter is equal to 3 times 15. You are going to remove the brackets by expanding and then you simplify. 3 times 15 is equal to, what is the product when you multiply 3 times 15? 45. Very good. Next one. 3 times negative 2x. Positive times negative equals negative. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6x. So that's 6x. 45 minus 6x is now the perimeter of the triangle. Alright, that is our answer. 45 minus 6x is the algebraic expression of the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. If we are going to find the value of the perimeter, then we must have the value of the x. And if the value of x is given, then we can find the value of the perimeter of the triangle. Okay, the last one in finding the perimeter is, I will erase this one. I know that you, all you need to do is, after viewing this, all you need to do is pause and copy what I have written here. You are going to pause the video and then you continue to the next, because I have already erased this example number 1. Next one, example number 3. Our example number 3 is find, okay, I'll write it down here. Find the perimeter of a rectangle with length, watch out on this, with length 3b plus 2 centimeter. So there's a unit, and the width is 2b minus 5 centimeter. Again, before you are going to do some calculation, you have to make sure to draw the geometrical shape of the rectangle. So you will do it like this. This is a rectangle. This one is the length. The measurement, the expression for the length of this rectangle is 3b plus 2. Take note, this side of the rectangle is equal to the other side. So you don't need to rewrite it. The measurement of the width of this one and width, this one is supposed to be width, okay. The measurement of the width is this one, and that one is 2b minus 5. Okay. You can enclose it with brackets like that, and this one as well. So meaning to say that this length, this side here of the width of the rectangle is 2b minus 5. This is the expression, this is the algebraic expression. And the other side also is 2b minus 5. So therefore, what is the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle? Tell me, what is the formula of the perimeter of the rectangle? You have to memorize it, grade 8 students, or the grade 7 or the grade 9 students, because your teacher, grade 10 students, even the grade 10 students can use this one as your revision. And grade 11, grade 12, general mathematics, all of you taking mathematics, you have to watch all the videos, even if it is intended for grade 8, but it is good that you will although do some revision. So the formula of the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Grade 8 students, follow this one step by step. So 2 times our width, our length is 2b. Our length is here. Our length is 3b plus 2. So we have open 3b plus 2 plus 2 times our width is 2b minus 5. So this is 2b minus 5. When you have now this expression, you are now going to remove the brackets by expanding, and then later you simplify. When you say simplify, you are going to collect like terms. Let's have this one now. 2 times 3b. Very good. 6b. 2 times positive 2. Very good. Positive 4. That's very easy. And then we have a plus sign over here. Plus sign is carried by our positive 2. So now this will become positive 2. Positive 2 times positive 2b. That means 2 times 2. 4. Very good. This will now be 4b. And then positive 2 times negative 5. Positive times negative. What is the sign? Negative. 2 times 5. 10. So this will now become negative 10. After we have expanded the expression, we are now going to simplify by collecting like terms. Do you understand? Collecting like terms. So we have to collect like terms. Finally, our perimeter of the rectangle is now equal to, collect 6b. 6b. I'm going to lower it a little. Okay. There. 6b. 6b. This is 6b. And plus 4b. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So that is now, we'll have it here, perimeter of the rectangle, 6b plus 4b equals 10b. Positive 4 minus 10. Positive 4 minus 10. What is the answer? Equals negative 6. Negative 6. Remember, this is positive 4 minus 10. So that is equal to positive 4 minus 10. So the rule of subtracting integers or directed numbers, remain the positive 4, this one becomes plus sign, and this one, positive 10, will become minus 10. So now you will now be adding, add positive 4 plus negative 10 equals negative 6. That's why our answer here is negative 6. So the final answer now for the perimeter of the rectangle is 10b minus 6. You get it now? Okay. I'll give you 30 seconds. I'll give you 30 seconds. Okay. Sorry, 30 seconds. Why 30 seconds? I'll give you, 30 seconds to copy, to have a look. This is now our expression, the algebraic expression for the perimeter of the rectangle, 10b minus 6. If it is in a multiple choice question, you be careful because out of the 4 options, A, B, C, D, you will encounter this expression, the perimeter of the rectangle, the expression is 10b minus 6. That's, let's say that's letter A. But the letter B, it will be it's like trying to mix up, so to really challenge you whether you have calculated, you have worked it out. So the letter B may be written as 10b plus 6. So you will get confused with that. So you have to be very careful. That's why you need to master everything. You need to master the rules of working out mathematics in order for you to be guided on how you're going to work it out. Okay, so this is the writing and simplifying algebraic expression that represents in finding the perimeter and area of some regular polygons. This is very common. Now, in this number 3, Roman numeral 3, if we are now asked to calculate the perimeter, then the value of the b must be provided. If the value of the b is provided, that is now in our topic on evaluating algebraic expression. This one is an algebraic expression, which is an expression for finding the perimeter of the rectangle. So if the value of b is given, then we can just substitute the value of the b, and then we perform the operation, and then we get the value of the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so shall we proceed now to finding the area? We will just focus on triangle, square, and rectangle. I think I have only here triangle and rectangle. Okay, I'll just have triangle 2, finding for the area, triangle, and the rectangle. Okay, so let's now proceed to the next. So all you need to do is to pause the video, and then you copy. You have to actually rewrite all of this in your exercise book so that you can do it later after watching my video tutorial. All right? I hope it's clear, because this is how I am going to guide you to really master mathematics. Don't worry, you are with me, and we are doing this for your own good. Let's now proceed to finding the area. Finding the area. So, find the area. This is now find the area of a Roman numeral 1 triangle with base length with base length cm and perpendicular height and perpendicular height perpendicular height 3g minus 2 centimeter. Okay, so let's work it out now together here. What is the solution? What is the formula of finding the area of a triangle? So area of a triangle is equal to one half times base times height. The challenge here is actually on simplifying the algebraic expression after you have substituted the values of the variable. So I like this one here, 1/2, that's 1/2, and times our base is 12 centimeters multiplied by our perpendicular height is 3g minus 2. Okay, so this one, let's have it in here. The area is equal to 1 times 12 times 3g minus 2. So this will become, you can rewrite it as 12 times 3g minus 2 all over 2. So area is equal to 12. You can actually do a cancellation method here. This is 12 and this is 2. The reason why we can do cancellation method is because the operation between 12 and this one over here is multiplication. So we can cancel 12 and 2. This 12 will become 6. This one becomes 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the expression now is 6 times 3g minus 2. So our area of the triangle is now 6 times 3g. 6 times 3 is 18g. And then 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. This is now our expression for the area of the triangle. 18g minus 12. So the 1 here is no longer needed because 1 times 12 is 12. 12 times 3g minus 2. And we can use cancellation method because the operation in the numerator and this one is multiplication here. So that means that you can cancel it first before you are going to multiply it inside the symbols of parentheses. 12. So 12 divided by 2. So this is now the expression. The area of the triangle is 18g minus 12. This is now the algebraic expression of the area of the triangle. If we are going to find the area, then in the next question, the follow-up question, the given g or the value of the g must be provided, and then you substitute the value of that g over here, and then you perform the operation. Bang! You get the value of the area of the triangle. Okay? Next, let's proceed to my last question. Finding the area. I'll give you first 30 seconds. I'll stay away for 30 seconds and I want you to pause the video. And after pausing the video, copy the working out of finding the area of a triangle with base length 12 centimeters and perpendicular height 3g minus 2 centimeters. Pause the video. Okay, next now, let's proceed to Roman numeral 2. For Roman numeral 2, we will have finding the area of a rectangle. So finding the area of the rectangle, this is our Roman numeral 2. Find the area of a rectangle. Rectangle with length 5y minus 2 centimeters and with 7 centimeters. Okay. So the area of the rectangle is equal to length times width. This one is straightforward. It's very easy, but be careful. So our length is open bracket 5y minus 2, multiply it by our width 7 centimeter. So this is straightforward, grade 8 students. So when you are going to perform this, you are going to expand using the distributive property. First is 7 times 5y. 7 times 5 is 35y. 35y. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Very good. Centimeter. So this is now the algebraic expression of finding the area of the rectangle. 35y minus 14 centimeters. 35y minus 14 centimeters. So this is the algebraic expression. This is the expression of the area. I presented this one as the summary of what we have discussed in lesson number 1, lesson number 2, and lesson number 3, because this one is very common questions in the national examination or any mathematics examination. Most of the questions are always in word problems, and all you need to do is write them down in a simplified algebraic expression, and then the rest of the questions will follow, like if the value of the variable is given, you will have to calculate it. You will substitute and then calculate. Okay, so this is the end of writing and simplifying algebraic expression that represents in finding the perimeter and area of some regular polygons. I want to give you 5 questions for you to do, and I hope that you will be able to do this one. This is it, so that we can check your answers in our next video tutorial. Lesson number 5 for grade 8 students. I'll give you 10 seconds. I am not there. Pause the video and then you copy the question and then you can do it later again. Okay, so this is now let's now have your activity. I want you to do this activity. Please do this activity, grade 8 students. So my first activity question, letter A, is write the expression for the area of a Roman numeral 1 square with side length 2x minus 5 centimeter. Roman numeral 2 rectangle with dimension. It's the dimensions 3x minus 1 and x plus 2 centimeter. Roman numeral 3. Find the expression for the area of the triangle with base length 3p minus 1 centimeter and perpendicular height and perpendicular height 2p plus 1 centimeter. And then for my letter B, answer this one. The product of two expressions is 6a square plus 21a. If one of the expressions is 3a, what is the other expression? And then, okay, we still have space. Letter C. I promised you to give you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Letter C. A rectangle. This one. A rectangle has an area of 6ab plus 10a square centimeter if the width, can you see it there? Yes. if the width, yes, thank you, if the width is 2 centimeter, find the length. Six A plus 10, 6AB plus 10A. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my grade 8 students around the world, especially the grade 8 students here in Papua New Guinea, my grade 8 students in the Philippines, and the grade 8 students wherever you are in the world, we have done this lesson number 4 under algebra. This quite challenge, but this is just a summary of what we have discussed in the previous topics, lessons 1, simplifying algebraic expression, 2, factorizing algebraic expression, and 3, evaluating algebraic expression. This one is more on simplifying algebraic expression, writing the algebraic expression and then you simplify. That represents finding the area and the perimeter of the regular polygon. Okay, this is Mr. Deli Shoes. I know that it is going to be a challenge for you because you are there and I am here, and I am just doing my best to share to you my area of expertise in mathematics. And I hope that although I am using this very traditional approach of delivering my tutorial, remember that I am just doing a tutorial. I am making sure that we go a step by step and straightforward, and allow understanding, letting you to understand the approach of how you should be working out when you encounter such topic in your examination. Okay, so again, have that self-discipline inside you. If you are just in the house, make sure that everything that you are doing is in your own benefit, especially in your education. So do not waste your time. Make sure that you are more advanced. There are also advantages of having this home-based activity with you. I'm just doing this for you. Okay? Thank you so much, students around the world. Grade 8 students, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, and even college students. You can still watch this one and enjoy and have fun wherever you are. If you're holding your smartphone and wherever you are, you can watch this video and enjoy mathematics. Thank you so much. Thank you, Trulo, Papua New Guinea, to all my One Talks, my dear students here in Papua New Guinea. Maraming salamat po sa aking mga kababayan, mga estudyante dyan sa Pilipinas. At sana ay mapanood nyo itong aking munting tutorial na mathematics para sa mga estudyante dyan sa Pilipinas. Okay, dahil ako isang guro, I am doing this contribution to the world. Okay, I am not an expert in medical field, but this is my expertise, and now I have to make sure that education must continue, must go on. Okay, maraming salamat, daghang salamat gayud sa tanan ng mga Bisaya diya sa Pilipinas ba, sa Visayas and Mindanao. Ako ay taga Mindanao man. So, Bisaya man ako, at puhon, pauli na ko din na, and siguro magtudlo ko, mag-tutor ko sa akong vlog in Bisaya version or Tagalog version. Okay? So thank you so much, and stay safe, everyone. Stay safe, my dear students. Stay safe, all the people in the world. Please follow the COVID-19 protocols. Always wear your face mask. Always make sure to be healthy all the time. Okay? This is Mr. Deli Shoes. And I'll see you again next time, grade 8 students. Our next topic next time is calculating the area and the circumference of a circle. Okay? Bye. Like him, Yupla.